Oh, good morning mga kapadyak. Tatakbo tayo ngayon ng 5K. Para may cardio tayo, hindi lang puro buhat. Oh, kasama natin si paring Ray. Ilang taon na to?
Hello.
Mga 50 plus na rin to pero tumatakbo pa rin.
55 pala, 55. 56. Gagawin natin, dire-diretso na to hanggang 90.
Marami ding matatandang pumapadyak dito. Marami sila.
Ayun ata yung naka-video mo yun.
Marami. Saan?
Ayun, di ba yung matandang puti? Ayun yung nakapula. Yun yung nasa likod.
Marami pang dito tumatakbo of all ages. Mga bata, matanda, may iba, may baby, may aso, ganun. Magandang may exercise. Good exercise sa katawan. See you later. Pag pumapadyak ka dito, may view. Yan, tabing dagat. Yun. Daming windmills doon, grabe. Warm up, kailangan ng warm up. Yan. Warm up.
I'd like to introduce you to a very lovely lady. You'll see her stood up there. Her name is Wendy. She's part walking for us today, but as you can see, she's also signing for us. So this is so you're then going to follow the off-road section. Please be careful as you go along the off-road section because it does get uneven underfoot. You're then going to drop back down on the prom. Please stay left at all times. You're then going to head straight down to the Beaches Hotel. Turn around at our Marshall Point where the lovely do this volunteering. We absolutely love being here, even when it's on freezing cold, horrible days. Whichever you may be doing, have fun and enjoy it. 3, 2, 1, go!
Eto na. Ito iniiwan na ako pag malapit na eh. Nangiiwan to.
Sabayan kita.
Pagod na ako. Yun, may pram pa, may bata. Thank you. Yun, may konting pakyak. Sabi sa'yo inuberdikan kami ng matanda. Yun. Alakas. Ganyan lang takbo. May ilan na kapadyak. Kapagod. Ikaw kasama ko, hindi napapagod eh. Lapit na. Grabe. Oh no! Aduh. Tapos din. Grabe. Hirap. Sariwang hangin dito sa probinsya. Sa countryside, northwest. Tabing dagat. Beautiful view. Beautiful run. Look at that. Grabe. Nice. Ito ang maganda pag nakakapag-exercise ka. Habang tumatanda, syempre humiin na yung buto. Of course, kailangan nating mag-exercise. Mahirap na, life is too short, mga kapadyak. So, thanks for watching. See you later.